Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. And iOS 26.3.1 is out. The update size is around 485 MBs. It depends on which iOS version you are using, and from also which iPhone you are using actually, and from which iOS version you are coming. And this update is out for every other person out there. And if you are using iOS 26.3 or any earlier update, you will see the update. You need to get into settings, you need to get into journal and software update. Over here you will see the update. Make sure you have not selected any sort of beta update over here. And if you are already on 26.4 betas, you will not see the update. Now, definitely, I'm going to install this update, but importantly, what is new with this update? Well, this update is all about bug fixes. As you can see, this update provides bug fixes to your iPhone. If I go and tap on the Learn More, it says the same thing again. So, if you are facing any sort of issue with the 26.3, this update is definitely recommended for everyone to install right away. Now, if you're expecting any big feature like any dramatic change or UI change or anything like that, don't expect anything like that from this update. Why? Because this is a double dot update. And double dot updates are always about bug fixes, improvements, enhancements, security patches, and all that stuff. And this is what this update is all about. If you ask me that should you install this update or not, well, definitely go and install this update without a doubt. Also, if you ask me what we can expect from this update in terms of battery life, definitely we can expect a better battery life even than the 26.3. If I talk about 26.3, right now I'm using 26.3 on this device and it is going really good. For example, today I used around 80% of my device, and for the 80% I got 6 hour and 48 minutes screen on time, which is really good. And during this time I was active on TikTok, Netflix, and some other applications, as you can see. Now, this is a good screen on time, which is a really good sign that 26.3.1 will bring even better screen on time. So again, if you ask me, should you install this update? Definitely go and install this update. There's nothing much crazy going on. Along with this update, Mac OS 26.3.1, Watch OS 26.3.1 is also out. Let me check if the Watch OS 26.3.1 is out or not. So I will get into my Watch app. I will get into journal and from here into the software update. And as you can see, it is taking the software update. And for now, it is not out, as you can see. So maybe I'm gonna wait for a few minutes or something like that, and maybe we get 26.3.1 for the Watch OS. But for now, iPad OS 26.3.1 is also out, and it also support I guess Studio Display. I guess that is gonna support with the Mac OS 26.3.1. If there's anything crazy going on with this update, I will definitely let you guys know. But so far, 26.3.1 is out, recommended for everyone to install. It brings bug fixes and improvements, nothing big dramatic change. Well, that's all from this video, and I will try to bring a 24-hour review video tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.